All right, we got Art Lasky's. Okay, we got Art Lasky's booth. He's got some really good stuff. Lots of flocking, photo etch, custom details. He is actually doing a show next weekend in LA area. So Mr. BG and I are heading over there to check out that show and see what we can see. Let's go around the corner here. Got another Mr. BG photobomb. Hey, Mr. BG, say hi. Mr. BG. He's playing with money. We'll have to go back to that. All the splash paints. Here he is. Oh, we got Luka C. Hi, Luka.
Hi. Buying stuff from Art.
Buying little baggies.
Luka keeps trying to touch me.
Useful too.
Luka and the touching. I don't know. All right, let's see what we've got here for some model kits. Oh, those are fun. This is someone's old stash that was donated to help cactus car modelers. So there's some really interesting, neat vintage kits. We've got a vendor here with a pretty impressive stash. This was one of the old cactus car modelers' stash that his son is got here at the show. There's some really great kits. Lots and lots. I hope this isn't what I have to look forward to someday in the very, very, very far future when Mr. BG goes. All right, we'll kind of see if we can sneak around here. It's a busy vending area, so.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, Dan. A few more Johan kits. Seen a few of those today. Some great vintage kits. And some of the more recent kits as well. All right. And then the stash keeps going and going and going.
I don't know. I did for a while, but I haven't been here much lately. I haven't been I haven't posted that. I haven't. I've been so busy. Yeah. I've fallen behind severely. Well, hello.
Hello.
I've fallen severely behind on people.
All right.
Barely. Where's a barely? 20. Right there. For sale? Hey, Mark. Hey, man. Sir. See ya.
All right. Let's keep going.
Hi there. How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Want to say hi to the YouTube community? No? I know. I'm not big on being in front of the camera either. It's always nice to go to these and see what kits are for sale. Of course, Mr. BG came to sell some kits, and I think he's going home with as many or more kits than he sold, so. But, you know, I guess one out, one in, that works.
Oh my God.
All right, now we got James and Jonathan and Mr. BG's booth here. This is the, let's try and get rid of some of our stash. Jonathan wants to be in the photo here,
Garage
so.
too. Come on.
Oh yeah, Feedin's Garage, that I can never spell when I go to look for it.
It's okay. PH.
Say hi, everybody. There you go.
This is a YouTube table.
Yes, this is a YouTube table.
That's right.
And of course, we'll just take a peek underneath there and see all the crazy that.
BG's hiding out from you.
Yeah, Mr. BG went shopping.
He's down there.
All right, so hopefully he can sell a few more. Let's see. All right. Some fun stuff. Some of this has been at a few of the swap meets, and you know, but it's always good to see what's new and what's for sale. Lots of fun.
I was there.
All right, let's see what else we've got here. That Jag, Porsche, and Datsun kit looks pretty cool. All fun cars. Let's see here. Lots of drool-worthy stuff. I kind of like this little guy.
Okay, folks, the big reason we're here today is for the model contest. And a big part of the model contest is judging the models. So at this time, I have to ask
And
anyone
another
that
big
is
scale
not
kit.
involved in judging models to please clear the area.
That's a load. You know, it really cracks me up that someone
No, you're fine. Thank you. I'll sneak in front of you. Behind. Lots of Dukes of Hazzards cars.
Just want to have a look at these and then have a look at
Let's have a big sign that says not for sale, but it's still fun to look and see what somebody has in their stash.
I have the rally version, and it's like I got it for sale down there if you want to trade. What have you got down there you want to trade?
Oh, yeah. That was just like
It's the one that's gold and black, and it's about
so that's why a lot of people like I never got the card anymore.
Yeah.
And
That explains why I didn't know about it.
yeah,
Because I sells it too.
yeah.
Oh,
So
these flat racers are kind of interesting. Huh. Very cool. It'd be good for a new builder or a youth builder. Never seen those. That's kind of fun.
okay.
I still have a couple of
I've got all my copies.
Ooh, McLaren's.
Between two of
Some
them, all of them. So now it's like
wheels.
I still got
I'm
my
gonna
hard print ones.
say, hey, Mr. Luka, can I get around you? Say to your face.
Every once in a while, I'll get
Oh, neat.
they asked me when you could leave California.
in the article in there.
Found Mr. BG again.
We know all our neighbors. Our whole social frame is all there.
I bought out a guy from New Zealand. New friend. I bought 1,000 files, but it came with multiple engines, tires, wheels. But
Neat.
then I've got 2 designers that draw stuff for me as well. So I wish I had that talent. I don't know how to do that. No, that was a series. Well, this was too. Now, that doesn't give you a license to brand and sell, but for yourself. I mean, if you want to, if you get